Hello everyone, and welcome back to Just Say English. I'm Sarah, and today we're diving into a topic that touches every single one of us: daily routines.
And I'm Alex. Hi, Sarah. Super excited about this topic. It's something we all share, right? Who doesn't have a routine?
Absolutely, Alex. Daily routines are like the framework of our lives. They help structure our days and give us a sense of direction.
Right, exactly. And it's also such a practical topic for anyone learning English. But why do you think routines are essential? Like, what would happen without them?
Great question. Routines can really streamline our time management. Think about it this way. If we have a set way of starting our day, it minimizes decision fatigue. Do you remember when we were kids and had those set bedtimes?
Oh, totally. It felt like a military operation sometimes, right? Like, I used to think they were just trying to get us in line.
Haha, yes. But those routines set a foundation for us. Today, we're not just talking about routines. We'll practice some common verbs and time expressions. Trust me, it's a fantastic way to build English skills.
Right. Just a quick reminder, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with your friends. You know, spread the knowledge. It's like a virus, but a good one.
Absolutely, Alex. Now we have a special treat today. We received a voice message from Nina about her daily routine.
Ooh, I can't wait to hear that. It's like getting a peek into someone else's life. Let's listen to her story, and then we can share our own routines. Ready, Sarah?
Ready as ever.
That was a lovely routine. Thank you, Nina, for sharing. I could almost feel the calmness in her voice.
Yes, her routine sounded so peaceful. I appreciated how balanced her day feels.
Yeah. I liked when she mentioned waking up early and making time for herself. That's golden. Is that the secret sauce?
And riding her bike to work? Now that's both healthy and eco-friendly. You know what they say, bike more, drive less.
Haha, yes. She used a lot of everyday verbs. Wake up, brush, get dressed. I feel like I'm listening to a rhythm here, like a daily beat, right?
Oh, totally. It's almost like she created a soundtrack to her day. There's a rhythm to our routines that can be energizing.
And she clearly stated her times, which helps listeners understand her day. So what about you, Sarah? How does your routine compare to Nina's?
Well, I wake up at 7 a.m., but I grab a strong cup of coffee instead of tea, just like Nina.
Ooh, coffee. Definitely a morning essential. I wake up around 6:30 a.m., and you could say I'm more of a coffee alchemist. I make my coffee just the way I like it.
Love that! I usually have toast with eggs, or sometimes I'm feeling adventurous and whip up a smoothie. Smoothie!
Smoothies are fantastic. I've heard some people can even throw in kale and make it taste good. How do they do that? Like, is there a secret trick?
Haha, now that's a skill. I can only manage banana or berries with my smoothies. After breakfast, I drive to work, which takes about 30 minutes.
Nice. I drive about 20 minutes to work as well. So once you hit the office, what do you do? Like, is it a hustle?
I work on the computer most of the day, writing and editing. It can be quite intense, but I love it.
Yeah, and lunch? I usually have mine around 1 p.m., and I often bring something from home, like, what's your go-to?
Same here. Home-cooked meals are definitely better. So much healthier.
So after lunch, what's next for you, Sarah? Because lunch always makes me sleepy.
I get back to work, usually finishing up around 5:30 p.m. And then, I like to take a short break when I get home.
A break is essential. Mine ends around 5 p.m. Then I cook dinner unless, I'm too tired and might just order a pizza.
Haha, pizza, the ultimate savior. I try to cook at least 4 nights a week, and after dinner, I always clean the kitchen.
Oh wow, life hack right there. After cleaning, I like to relax in the evening by reading or sometimes binge watching a show. Totally different vibes.
Yes, I'm with you on that. Sometimes I take a short walk or listen to a podcast, then shower around 9:30 p.m.
Wow, good timing. I usually hit the bed around 10:30 p.m. It's pretty fascinating how we all have these similar routines. Wake up, get ready, work, eat, relax, and then sleep.
It really is amazing. You'd be surprised at how much English you can learn just by describing your day.
Right. Should we play Nina's routine one more time? Like really soak it in? Because I feel like I'm learning.
Yes, let's do that. Listen closely to her words, folks.
Thank you for listening, everyone. And a huge thank you again to Nina for sharing her routine with us.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And we really want to hear from you. What's one thing you do every day?
We're all about reading your comments. Seriously, tell us about your daily routine. It's like a fun chat with friends.
That's it for today's episode on daily routines.
We'll see you next time.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing your English.
See ya, folks. And remember, routines can be fun.